Hello, folks. Today we're going to have a lesson over reflexive and intensive pronouns. Now, these are pronouns that are really easy to recognize because they end with self, S-E-L-F, or selves, S-E-L-V-E-S. The singular forms are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, while plural forms are ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Now, this is something you want to avoid because sometimes his self is mistakenly used for himself and their selves for themselves. Never use his self or their selves. Now, a reflexive pronoun refers to a noun or another pronoun, and it indicates the same person or thing is involved. So reflexive pronouns refer back to a noun or a pronoun. Let's look at this sentence. The woman found herself a book of folk tales. Notice how herself refers back to the noun woman. That is a reflexive pronoun. Now, an intensive pronoun is a pronoun that adds emphasis to a noun or a pronoun which is already named. Let's look at these sentences. George himself bought a copy of American Tall Tales. Himself adds emphasis to the noun George. Here's another sentence. He himself paid for the book. Again, himself adds emphasis to the pronoun he. Never use reflexive and intensive pronouns as the subjects of sentences or as the object of a verb or a preposition, such as Roy and I read a tale, not Roy and myself. It intrigued Roy and me, not Roy and myself. Okay, refer back to this lesson as you're working through the exercises for reflexive and intensive pronouns, and let me know if you have any questions.